Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard candy balls. First, gather your ingredients and essential tools for success. Understanding the hard crack stage is crucial for perfect candy. This stage occurs between 300 and 310 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your candy sets correctly. Always have your workspace ready with parchment paper or silicone mats to prevent sticking and make the process smoother. Precision is key for delicious results. For your hard candy, you will need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2/3 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. These are the core ingredients for a clear, stable candy base. Feel free to add your favorite flavorings and a few drops of food coloring to customize your treats. Make sure you have a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan, a reliable candy thermometer, and a whisk ready before you start cooking. Begin by combining your sugar, water, and corn syrup in the heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir this mixture gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring completely to prevent crystallization. Allow the mixture to boil steadily, monitoring the temperature with your candy thermometer. Continue cooking until it reaches the hard crack stage, which is between 300 and 310 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your candy reaches the correct temperature, remove it from the heat and carefully pour it onto your prepared surface. Let it cool for a few minutes until it is still pliable but safe to handle. You can then use a buttered knife or kitchen scissors to cut and shape your candy into small balls or other desired forms. Be sure to check the description below for a link to this insightful book, along with other great deals and resources. Allow the candy to cool completely before storing it in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.